Hello everyone. Let us see question number 20. Why does calcium not catch fire when it reacts with what? This is our question. You can attempt previous one or this one. There is choice. It carries 2 marks. Why does calcium not catch fire when it reacts with water? You know, sodium catches fire when it reacts with water. ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಸೋಡಿಯಂ ಅನ್ನ ಕೆರೋಸಿನ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ಇಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾರೆ. Even though with small portion of moisture also it reacts, highly reactive. But why does calcium not catch fire when it reacts with water? ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. The reaction of calcium with water is less violent. The heat evolved is not sufficient for the hydrogen to catch fire. ನೀವು 8th ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕಲ್ತಿದ್ದೀರಿ ಅಲ್ವಾ? For combustion, what are the necessary things? Oxygen, ignition temperature, then fuel. ಇಲ್ಲಿ calcium when reacts with water, calcium hydroxide and hydrogen gas is liberated. Okay. This hydrogen gas is fuel here. Even though hydrogen gas is liberated, calcium not catch fire because ಇಲ್ಲಿ fuel ಇದೆ, atmosphere ಅಲ್ಲಿ oxygen ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ, but it do not reach its ignition temperature. Ignition temperature reach ಆಗದಂತೂ ಅದು ಫೈರ್ ಅನ್ನ ಕ್ಯಾಚ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದಿಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ವಾ? Even though it is exothermic reaction, it is less vigorous than sodium or potassium. This heat evolved is not sufficient to reach ignition temperature of hydrogen gas. The heat evolved is not sufficient for the hydrogen to catch fire. This is the reason why calcium does not catch fire when it is reacts with water. Thank you.